This is the Insta360 GO 3S. Size, capabilities, and image quality are the first things looked at when it comes to action cams, and recently Insta360 has upped the ante on all of them with the new GO 3S. The Insta360 GO 3S is super small in size, lightweight, can shoot 4K video, and can be easily mounted with magnet or with accessories in some of the most unique ways possible, like what seems to be a common favorite, pet POV. First and foremost, the size and weight of the Insta360 GO series has always been remarkable, and the GO 3S follows suit, weighing just 39 grams and is the equivalent to the size of your thumb. Now, the size of the camera is not what's really shocking. What's shocking is the 4K 30 FPS capability with a bitrate of 120 megabits per second in a camera this size. This is almost double the amount of pixels in the previous GO 3, giving you higher quality footage with increased detail and making this possibly the tiniest 4K camera on the market right now. It utilizes internal storage, currently in 64 and 128 gigabyte options, so there's no need for a micro SD. The GO 3S camera is housed in what's known as the Action Pod, which provides multiple functions. First, this is what allows you to view your camera's image as well manage the settings. It provides a 2.2-inch flip-up touchscreen display, which you can access all the camera's functions by swiping left, right, up, or down, a power button for obvious reasons, a quick menu button to quickly toggle through modes, a record button that can be customizable for quick record options, and the lock button which will allow you to release the GO 3S from the pod. Which then brings us to one of the standout features of the Insta GO 3S is its magnetic mounting system. The camera itself can be mounted to anything magnetic, and the image will rotate for both horizontal and vertical aspect ratios. Now, something I really appreciate with the GO 3S is at purchase it comes with a range of magnetic accessories that allow you to easily mount the camera to various surfaces as well as wearable options. The GO 3S isn't just all about 4K video. It has multiple other functions and modes such as slow motion, time lapse, time shift, loop recording, free frame video, photo, HDR photo, interval photo, and star lapse. You can activate any of these modes by using the touchscreen on the Action Pod to select, and users who are self-filming can utilize the AI gesture control feature to take both photo and video. There are also a few select preset modes already in camera for different activities, or you can create your own custom preset mode. Users are also able to set their own manual and auto control of the camera settings when needed. And depending where the user is, the GO 3S has multiple stabilization and field of view options in order to account for shake as well as distortion. For those of you who anticipate the camera to take a bit of a hit, should feel secure knowing the lens comes with a screw-on guard for protection. The lens guard can also be swapped out for a variety of filter options as well. And for those of you who want to take the camera below the depths, should be happy to note that the GO 3S has waterproofing up to 33 feet, which is double its predecessor. So recently we took the GO 3S to an indoor rock climbing gym where I was able to utilize the multiple mounting capabilities in order to get some cool shots, but also to see how I develop as a climber. Now, just for the record, I'm still a novice and my forearms hurt. Using the lanyard, I wore the GO 3S on my chest to get a first-person POV and see the movements of my hands, while Sam utilized the clip mount on her hat. Both options gave us a really great visual, but my personal favorite when we realized the bolts of the rock holds were metal and could actually utilize them in order to mount the camera in some unique locations. And what's also cool is that with the view of the camera casting onto the Action Pod, whoever wasn't climbing was able to watch a live view of the GO 3S's camera. Personally, when using the lanyard, I barely even felt that I had the camera essentially stuck to me. The magnet on the back of the camera is very secure. Even at moments when I fell, the camera never once dropped off. But that's not to say that it won't ever fall off. Good news is Insta360 actually accounted for this, because the GO 3S is actually compatible with Apple's Find My network. In the case your camera goes missing during your action adventure, you're able to track it down using your phone. The GO 3S is perfect for on-the-go use as it connects seamlessly to your smartphone via the Insta360 app, where you can get a live camera view, control the camera settings, review your shots, and edit your videos. The app offers a range of editing tools, filters, and effects, allowing you to create professional-looking videos with just a few taps. You're also capable of quickly transferring these files so that you can share your awesome clips in just minutes. Battery life has always been a concern with action cameras, but the Insta360 GO 3S exceeds expectations. It has a built-in battery that provides up to 2.5 hours of recording time, which is impressive considering its size. Additionally, the camera comes with a charging case that can provide up to 150 minutes of additional recording time on the go. Overall, the Insta360 GO 3S is unique in the world of action cameras. Its tiny size, exceptional video quality, magnetic mounting system, user-friendly app, and impressive battery life make it a top choice for adventurers, vloggers, and anyone looking to capture their experiences in a unique and immersive way. With action cams, being confident in both your camera's capabilities as well as durability is rare, but the Go 3S really has it all. I personally had a great time using it to find fun and unusual ways to get footage that I wouldn't be able to with a normal camera or really any other action camera I've used. When wearing it, I barely felt like it was attached, and it gave me an awesome and natural feeling POV. I'm an active person and I hate anything that weighs me down or that I'm scared will break. So the size and durability for me was massive because I can still have natural movements while knowing the footage will be immersive, but more importantly, usable. The different modes and functions really gave me a variety of options to capture content, and being able to use my phone for it all makes it perfect for someone traveling as light as possible. So tell us in the comments below, what adventures would you take the Insta360 GO on? I'm Joe with B&H, and I'll see you in the next one.